Hi everyone, welcome to today's session. So today's session is a demonstration of one of our important data analytics tool, that is Data Prep Studio, that is Monarch. So using Monarch we can do data preparation. So today's I'm going to solve a case study using Monarch. So the case study is something like that. Now let's say you are a financial analyst, in a big financial institution. Now your task is to find the so you would have a portfolio of, let's say, debit card holders, right? Now your task is to find active and inactive debit card holders from your portfolio, right? Now so you have different text files or CSV files. So how can you actually extract that information from those files? So I'll show you one of the way by using Monarch, right? So you first open the data, that is text file. Okay, so Monarch sample files, debit card transaction data, open. Okay, now you have auto defined template as well, but I would like to create my own template. Let's say create template and go to detail. Okay, now I will create traps now. Okay, for that, okay, for this field, which is our card number, I'll create a numerical trap here, but it's kind of a character. Okay, I say here card number, and then this is good, 16 width, fine. So for our next field, okay, let's first change this to 14. Okay, so this, for this field, I'm gonna set a dollar trap and then numerical, then change the width, let's say 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9 looks a little bit too much, maybe 8 is good. Okay, and so let's put it as transaction amount. Okay, see, this is good. So okay, this seems okay. Now for the next field, that is trade, we're gonna first set a blank trap and then numerical one. Okay, we'll put the name as date. Okay, this is okay. 9 is fine, I can make it 10 maybe. Yeah, this is good. Okay, for the previous field, we probably set it as currency. Okay, next is the date, and for the next field, okay, now we want to select this field. Okay, now this one you set it up first as, okay, blank trap and then character trap. Okay, blank trap first and then let's say character trap. Right, now let's put it as network. Maybe we change the width a bit more. This is probably okay. Now just let's verify the report. Okay, transaction amount seems little off here. So maybe for the amount, yes, okay, the amount filled. Okay, you see here, plus 60 is not getting. Okay, and then do it one more. Now it should be okay. Let's verify it. Okay, that seems good. And now we accept it. Here we go. Now we have our data in the preparation stage. So we have entered data. Now I want to see my active card holders, so let's transform the data and let me group it. Okay, we group it with card number. Okay, and then we do transaction amount, sum and count. Let's see what happens. Yes. So just change the name to active arts. Okay. So now we see the card holders who have the number of active card holders, for each card number, right? Now let's say we want to sort it and see who is having the highest number of cards, right? Now we sort it by descending. Okay. Now name it as active cards. So now you have the highest number of cards right here. So you see 7,361 is the number of active cards, right? So out of 11,000, the number of active cards is kind of 7,000 something, right? Yes, 7,361. So now I want to, kind of import other files. These are the other two files, debit card master file and the customer demographic. So I just can do drag and drop them. Okay. And then to kind of load both the files together. Okay, so I kind of join the information from these files to my files. So to actually figure out, get more information about the active card holders and inactive card holders as well. So before doing that, I just want to first extract the first 16, digits. That's what I'm looking for because there are exactly 19. So I'm going to extract the first 16. So it looks good. And then let's extract it. Okay. Now we have these files extracted. Now we'll join with the other two files which you have just imported. Okay, so for that we have to combine. Okay, so join tables. So first of all you have is active cards. Okay, and you have debit card master file. Okay, so why you are interested in joining? We're going to join it because we want to see for the member name, for each member name. We want to sort the data based on, we want to figure out the data based on our member name, right? And for that we'll join this combined data with the customer membership data, right? So what we say here is click to join. Okay, so different kinds of join, left join, right join, but now we're gonna do lookup. That's based on card number. Okay, and then yeah. Okay, let's say name it as active cards again, and then hit OK. On active cards, I think definitely name it. Right. Okay. Now, okay. Now we have now to combine this master file data with the customer membership demographic file. Right. Join again. Now this time I'm gonna join it with again. Let's look up. I'm gonna join it with member number here and member number here. So yes, this looks good to us. Okay, just rename it as customer. Okay. So I can just preview this data as well. Okay, so the customer data we have entirely. So now we have data coming from all the tables to us, right? Now next thing is now we have our active card holders data. right? Now this is your active cardholders data, right? Now I want inactive cardholders data. How would I do it? Now inactive cardholders simple, but nothing else but the negative join of this one. Just let me show it to you first, and let me duplicate this data. Okay. Now, okay, let me first rename it to active card holders. Okay. Now, so now here I'm interested in active card holders. So who are the inactive card holders basically? Now, these are the active card holder. These are the ones which you have. You get data on this debit card master file, but you don't have it on active cards, right? So what we can do is we can actually create a negative join, right? So that we get these data where we don't have an active cards, right? So okay, I'll show it to you maybe. Let me edit the join first. Yes. So let me go negative join. Okay. Yeah. So the data should it should come. What does it mean? This left join. Okay. So basically it should be here. The data should be here in this table, but should not be here, right? Left negative join. So okay, first. Okay, now we have it. Let's do it. Okay. Now you see these are the inactive card holders. You have it, right? So basically now in this exercise, I've shown you actually, uh, the both the active card holders and inactive card holders, right? You would have seen a lot of exercises, join operations, or VLOOKUPs, which combines both Excel and SQL. So this tool is very powerful. It can actually read data from structured files or semi-structured files as well. So that is very helpful for us. You can actually record the whole session as well. So the next time you do the similar exercise, you don't have to repeat the same thing, but it's already recorded for you. So I think I hope this small exercise helps you to understand how powerful this tool is. So once you prepare the data, we have using Monarch, you can actually go and analyze the data using other tools like Knowledge Studio also. So this we also have interoperability between these different tools. Yeah. Thank. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed the session. So yeah, thank you for your time. Would like to see you again. Thank you.